Equation of a line passing through 2 points. The first point has x equals -2, and y equals 95. The second point has x equals 0, and y equals 82.
First, place the 2 points on the coordinate grid.
The run is the horizontal change, from x equals -2 to x equals 0, the run is 2. The rise is the vertical change, from y equals 95 to y equals 82, the rise is -13.
Slope is rise divided by run, -13/2, which simplifies to -13/2. Now draw the line through both points.
Start with point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then fill in the boxed values. Slope is -13/2, x1 is -2, and y1 is 95.
That gives the specific point negative slope equation for this line.
Finally, solve for y to get slope negative intercept form.
The graph and the equation describe the same line.